Welcome to unboxing of new iPhone's 15 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone to feature new titanium design. Thanks to that, it's the lightest Pro models ever. You'll notice the difference the moment you pick one up. Is the first iPhone to support USB-C for charging and high-speed data transfer. The new material has brushed titanium finishes, which is much less of a fingerprint mess after use, even on black color. The 48-megapixel main camera is more advanced than ever, capturing super high-resolution photos with a new level of detail. And this here iPhone 15 Pro Max has the longest optical zoom in iPhone ever. The all-new Action button is a fast track to your favorite feature. Once you set the one you want, just press and hold to launch the action. This iPhone also features always-on display and dynamic island introduced with iPhone 14 Pro. Quick look at both models side by side. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. To see more, go on my channel. iPhones, Macs, iPads, AirPods, watches, accessories.